Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in and welcome to another vlog. This is the Bikerguy, and we are in Bangalore. And guess where we are today for the Royal Enfield Himalayan Sleet test ride. So, few days back, I just got a text or a mail from Royal Enfield saying that's a special invite for me to test ride the Himalayan on a special track. Let me show you the track. So yeah, obviously I said yes for the test ride, and here I am Sunday morning 8 a.m. at the Royal Enfield special test track to test ride the Himalayan. So I'm gonna go register myself in and then we go for a test ride. Okay, so I guess it's my turn right now. So let's get ready. They've given me knee guards and rest things I have. So ready. Let's go. It's just 2 laps though. Let's see how it feels to take 2 laps only.
Have you been before off-roading, sir?
Off-roading, yeah, I have used this one also.
You have used this one.
I've done.
We have twist and turns, we have camel hump, then we have slush also. So first hump is this, second hump is that, that is a camel, and immediately you have a left turn. That is tricky.
Okay.
Then you have twist and turns, then you have a camel hump there, see that. Okay, that is a bit tricky, okay. Then you have a slush there. Always be on standing position, okay, when you go on hump.
Okay, thank you. Let him come till you.
Very fast.
He's saying I'm very fast.
You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Down to the up to the
done for the day. Great experience, though we didn't get to ride the Sleet, but we got the Himalayan BS4, almost the same except the panniers. So let's get going now. Okay guys, so that was all from this vlog. Thanks for watching till now. If you think the video was nice, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you want me to do. If there's some specific topic in which you want me to make a video, then let me know. And yes, and yeah, that's all from this vlog. As I always say, I'll need your love and support to make this channel a hit. Until the next time, goodbye beautiful people.